Welcome friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to repost people's posts to your Instagram story, right? So once you're inside Instagram guys, then you'll find a post that you like. Let's take this one for example, right? Now all you have to do is just simply click on the share button right beside the comments button below the picture. Once you tap on that, you will have the options at the bottom that says add to your story. So once you tap on that, this will now load into your story, so you can go ahead and you can modify, you can change, you can add text, etc. Now I want to say, while it's okay to easily do this, it's much better to ask for permission if you can easily do that, right? But that's all you have to do guys. You can adjust this, you can modify it, and then all you have to do is just click your story. Now once you finish with that, then all you have to do is just go back to your home, and then you want to wait for it to add to your story. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my story here, see if it's finished, and as you can see in my story it is added, and that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple guys.